Can meditation help in our life, in our work, and related with our children and family? Yes, of course, of course. About 6-7 years ago, I joined this scientific research. So what they call unstickiness. So there's one kind of a box, and they put on the wrist, and the box has produced hot water. So they said, after 10 seconds later, your wrist will burn. And they check brain. There's a EEG, everything. So that was I did in the medicine. That time what they call Weizmann Laboratory in University of Wisconsin. So they did with many meditators. What they found is the meditator, when they hear that you will burn your wrist after 10 seconds, your mind still comes. When the heat comes, the clarity of heat becomes very strong, go up, but not too much rumination. But the non-meditators, when they hear after 10 seconds later you will burn your wrist, boom, there's a lot of rumination. Oh, I'm going to burn, what should I do? Oh, maybe I feel a blister. So many things. Then when the heat comes, the clarity about heat is not so much. After heat is gone, still ruminating. So normally, if you are not happy at your office, then you bring that unhappiness in your home. Then you make everybody unhappy in home, with your children, with your family. But if you're having something bad experience in your home, you bring into office. So it's not only that, whatever past bad experience you bring here present, and you jump into the future, you worry too much about the future, and you lost present moment, you cannot enjoy. So therefore, then it is less creativity and less kind of like clarity to see what the reality is. So when heat comes, you cannot see heat very clear. Similarly, the present, you cannot see clear. So meditation really helps to bring not just peace and calm, what we call pliable and walkable. So your mind become very useful.